In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync folder to Google Drive in Windows. By the end, you'll have a folder on your Windows computer continuously syncing with your Google Drive, so any changes you make are kept up to date in both places. First, install Google Drive for desktop. On your screen, open your web browser, search for Google Drive for desktop download, and go to the official Google page from Google. Click the download button for Drive for desktop, then run the installer. When Windows asks for permission, allow it and follow the on-screen prompts until the installation finishes. Keep the process simple, just accept the defaults if you're unsure. When the app launches, you're ready for the next step. Now sign in. In the Google Drive for desktop window, click Sign In. Your browser may open. Choose your Google account and complete the login steps. If you're asked to confirm permissions, continue. When the sign-in is successful, you'll see the Google Drive app active on your desktop, and its icon will appear in the system tray near the clock. Next, click the gear icon for settings, then choose Preferences. To get there, click the Google Drive icon in the system tray to open the panel, click the gear in the top right, and select Preferences. This opens the main settings window where you control which folders on your computer sync to Google Drive. From here, click Add Folder. You'll see this option in the section that manages folders from your computer. Click it once to open the folder picker. Select your folder. In the File Browser window, navigate to the exact folder you want to keep in sync with Google Drive. Click the folder to highlight it, then click Select Folder. Make sure you pick the correct location. If you choose a folder with a lot of files, the first sync may take some time, which is normal. Choose Sync with Google Drive. In the options that appear for this folder, select Sync with Google Drive. This sets up a two-way sync. That means files you add, edit, or delete, and this Windows folder will update in Google Drive, and changes you make in Google Drive to that folder will update back on your computer. This is the safest choice when you want the same content available locally and in the cloud. If you see other options, leave them as they are and make sure Sync with Google Drive is the one selected. Click Done. Confirm your choice and close the Preferences window if it doesn't close automatically. And the sync will begin right away. You'll notice a small syncing icon appear on files as they upload. You can keep working while this runs in the background. To quickly verify it's working, open File Explorer and check the folder you selected. You should see sync status badges appearing on files. Then if you open drive.google.com in your browser and go to My Drive, you'll see the same folder appear there. Add a small test file or rename one and watch the change reflect on both your computer and in Google Drive within a moment. If you have a large folder or a slower connection, give it a bit more time. This is expected. If you ever need to pause or resume syncing, you can return to the Google Drive icon in the system tray and use the controls there, but there's nothing else you need to change for a standard setup. Your chosen folder will now stay aligned automatically with no extra steps required. That's it. Your Windows folder is now successfully synced to Google Drive, and changes will update both ways automatically. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.